It's a 1.2 billion project, and its timeline, we are at physical progress today is 23% against 40%. But we have 4 residential buildings, type A and type B. Type A consists of the social units and the affordable. We have type B, which consists of the market and the affordable. We also have a kindergarten block. We also have a preliminary school and a clubhouse here. 88 number of units for the social. We have 200 for the affordable and 132 for the market. So, Your Excellency, in the social...
itakavyokuwa ikifanana ikiisha.
Then wangwana, naona mnafanya kazi mzuri. Very good job.
Gari yamejengwa kiasi. Vile ujenzi unavyoendelea,